Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by diagnosing why System Restore keeps restoring the registry in Windows. Boot into safe mode or the Windows recovery environment to prevent automatic restore loops. Open Event Viewer and Filter for System Restore, Volume Shadow Copy Service, and application errors. Note error codes and timestamps for the failing restore points. Check the list of restore points and their file sizes for corruption indicators. These steps reveal whether bad restore points or VSS problems cause the loop. Run sfc/scano to repair protected system files, and then run dism restore health. These commands fix missing or corrupted DLLs that break registry restore functionality. Use vsadmin list shadows and vsadmin delete shadows to remove corrupted shadow copies carefully. Restart the Volume Shadow Copy Service and the Microsoft Software Shadow Copy Provider Service. After repairs, create a fresh restore point and verify it completes without errors using system. If problems continue, inspect permissions for the registry and system volume information. Grant system full control where required and remove read-only flags on affected folders. Run chkdsk on the system drive to repair disk-level errors that corrupt restore points. Perform a full anti-malware scan to remove infections that alter registry backups. If corruption remains, consider a repair install of Windows that preserves files and apps. Finally, proactively backup the registry and make manual restore points before system changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.